Hello students, today we are going to see the chapter summary of chapter 5 heat and the question answer and exercises of chapter 5. Here you can see the chapter summary. You read it. Our sense of touch is not always reliable guide to the degree of hotness of an object. Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness of an object. Thermometer is a device used for measuring temperature. Clinical thermometer is used to measure our body temperature. All these things we have learned in this chapter is given in a small summary. The range of this thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. All these are given in a slide. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. You have to learn all these. ये सब याद करना है आपको. These are the things given in chapter 5. Elaborately, this is the summary. The heat flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. There are three ways in which heat can flow from one object to another. These are conduction, convection and radiation. You can get answers of questions in this summary. Many answers you can get from this summary also. So, for question answers you don't have to search Google. You can get answers for the questions in this summary or in the video, or I have written it in slides. You have to search in our learning material. You don't want to search for Google for the answers of any question. If you have any doubt, then ask. In solid, generally the heat is transferred by conduction. The method of heat transfer in solids are conduction. In liquids and gases, the heat is transferred by convection. See, all the things are written clearly here. No medium is required for transfer of heat in radiation. The material which allow heat to pass through them easily are called conductors. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called insulators. There is a question in the slide. Write the difference between conductor and insulator in a tabular form. So you make a table and write in conductor insulator columns the answers. Dark colored objects absorb radiation better than the light colored objects. That is the reason we feel more comfortable in light colored clothes in summer. Dark colored clothes absorb more radiation. Radiation means the heat, radiated heat. Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter. It is because wool is a poor conductor of heat and it has air trapped in between the fibers. Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter. It is so because wool is a poor conductor of heat and it has air trapped in between the fibers. So all these are the chapter summary. Now we can see the some question answers or some exercises in this. I have take snaps of your exercises. I have took snaps of your exercises and given it here, put it here, so you see it. It is filled up already. You do it in your copy. Before filling it, you may search for the answer. Is it correct or not? You have to. Somebody has written it. You have to. You should not copy it blindly. You have to search for the correct answer first. Assure that it is correct and then write. Some answers are not there, you have to do it yourself. So this objective type you have to do yourself. Heat is a form of energy. It is a form of dash. The range of clinical thermometer is from dash degree Celsius to dash. See, water is a dash conductor. Air and water are bad conductors. Air and water are bad conductors of heat. Land and sea breeze help to maintain temperature of air. Okay, and you do it yourself, true, false, and everything. Now answer the following questions in brief. In which direction does the transfer of heat normally take place? What is the cause of heat generation in the following situations? We apply brakes on our fast moving car. When we apply brake on our fast moving car, where the heat is generated? By friction. By friction of the wheel on the road, heat is produced. Or by friction of engine. People often jump up and down to feel warmer in cold weather. People often jump up and down to feel warmer in cold weather. Why? Because heat is generated in our body. Heat is generated in our body when we do work, muscular energy, muscular work. When work is done, heat is produced. State two types of physical changes that may take place when a substance is heated. Two types of physical changes that may take place when a substance is heated. Change of state, change in temperature. In what ways does a clinical thermometer differ from an ordinary thermometer? I have given it the answer 4. I have given in a slide. Write it down. You may already written it. Hope that you must have written. State the mode or different modes of heat transfer in the following situations. Paper cup full of hot soup laying on a table. Paper cup full of hot soup laying on a table. Heat transfer is by convection. Cooking vegetables in a pan. Conduction. Melting of a chocolate bar in the school bag on a hot day. Radiation. Cooking food in a microwave oven. Radiation. Okay. What is meant by sea breeze? When does it occur? This also have given in a slide. So answer is given, sea breeze, and land breeze is also given. Now give reasons for the following. Iron rims are heated red hot before fixing them on cart wheels. I have explained it in one slide. One video I have explained it. Iron rims are heated red hot. Why? Before fixing them on cart wheels. A clinical thermometer has a slight bend or kink if it is in its capillary tube. I have also given in thermometer slide. In the slide of thermometer I have given the answer of this. A new kilt is warmer than an old one. Why a new kilt is warmer than an old one? Because in an old kit it is worn out. Old kit is worn out. It has less air spaces. But in a new kilt there is more air spaces. As air prevent our body heat to escape. Air is a bad conductor of heat. It prevents our body heat to escape. As the new kilt has more air spaces, it will be more warm. A brass tumbler feels much cooler than a wooden tray on a chilly day. Brass tumbler made up of metal. Metals are good conductors. Wood is a bad conductor. So, the heat is lost. The heat is lost from the brass tumbler very quickly to the surrounding. But the wooden tray, which is made up of wood, is a bad conductor of heat, so it does not lose its heat. The bottom of cooking utensils are often kept black. because black surfaces absorb more heat. Black surfaces absorb more heat, that is why. Akshit visited Rishikesh for river rafting during summer holidays. At a campsite, there were two tents, one made with a black fabric and the other with a white fabric. Which one should Akshit prefer? Give reason for the choice. Should Akshit prefer the same tent during winters? During summer holidays, there is the scorching sun. It is too much heat. It is too much hot. So, which fabric should he prefer? Black or white? It should be white in summer. In winter it should be black. Why? In summer, black color absorb more heat. So in summer it will be more hot if he choose a black one. So in summer he should choose a white fabric because white color radiate more. White color reflect more heat, not absorb. Okay. During winters he need more warmth, so he should prefer a dark color. That is why he should prefer black color in winters, but in summer only light color. Okay. So here is the end of the chapter. If there is some more question answers you should need, you ask me. If you have any doubt, then you ask me. So I will help you. When you ask me, ask in the WhatsApp page with your name, class, etc. I am teaching 4 more classes, so you should send your messages with your class and name. Otherwise I could not recognize you who is asking. Okay. So we will see in another video. Till then, goodbye.